Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So it's very easy. I will show you how to change the icon size on the desktop as well as in the file explorer. So first of all, I will just open any folder like okay, this one and this one. So what you have to do, you need to just right click on the desktop, select view, and you can select large icons. You can see the changes, and if you go to the medium icons, and this is the small icons, so I will set it with the default one. And for the file explorer, you have to just go to the view by, and as same as on the desktop, you will get the extra large icons, and mediums and small icons. You can select the extra large. This is the large one, this is the medium one, this is the small icons. And you can also list out with the list details, tiles and the content. So I will set to the medium one also. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.